You don't have to take my word for it. Just have to see for yourself.
Good? All right, good. So today we are at Billy Park, one of the most unlikely locations for photo sessions. Most people kind of sort of take it for granted. Today I will be assisted by, say your name. Say your
Willie.
name. Who?
Willie.
Girl.
Say your real name.
That's my name.
Say your real name.
Boo, Elizabeth.
All right, so today we'll be shooting high-speed sync. I'm going to be using Canon 135 f2. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to get my ambient exposure correct. Now that I have everything looking the way I want it to look in camera, I'm going to turn on the flash. Hey, stay focused. There you go. Got it. All right, so small adjustment. Turn your head that way into the light. Right there. Take your sunglasses. Take off your glasses. All right. All right, smile. Got it. All right, so now that I've got my test shots, we're gonna start a quick session.
So I just wanted to mention that these images have been cropped to fit screen. If you want to practice your editing, you can download these images as well as my action set using the link in the description below.
All right, so I swapped over to the Canon 15mm. All right, ready? Lean forward. Turn your face into the light. Take the big ass wallet and the big ass phone in your pocket. You can't have the big ass wallet in your pocket. All right. Ready? Turn your head over to your right. Pivot until you can see me. Right there. Hold firm. One more. Gotta smile.
So we headed to our second location. It's about a 15-minute drive, but I don't want to bore you with videos from the drive. So if you want to access this location as well as our second location, you can also find the links in the description.
All right, so we are at location number 2, somewhere in the middle of nowhere off Cowpen Road. And again, I'm shooting.
Hi.
Let's get started. Ready? Straight at me. You can be fine. Ready? Look straight at me.
All of the images from this session were edited with my Flow action set. Flow will definitely save you time with editing. You can produce clean, consistent images in 5 minutes or less. I designed Flow specifically for photographers with little to no editing or Photoshop experience, but you want professional results, so you can download directly from my website using the link in the description. I'll be releasing a step-by-step guide on how to use Flow, so consider subscribing to receive those future videos. And if you like this video or it was helpful in any way, be sure to leave a comment as to what type of videos you'd like to see moving forward.